What Chimat Export Academy is all about. Have you been looking for how to get started with exports? Then this academy can help launch you. So before I delve into talk about what the Export Academy is all about, please feel free and kindly click the notification bell, subscribe, and share. Why are you doing this? So that our video gets more visible to those who genuinely need it and need to get started with their export business and get to see our videos and our content. So please like, share, subscribe. Can you do it now? Now? Thank you. What do you see? The Chimat Export Academy. In Nigeria, we thrive based on foreign exchange. When you go into exports, you are not just earning in foreign currency, you are also helping the economy to thrive. And that's what Chimat Export Academy is all about. We teach you the basics of how to sell your products and services. Emphasis on products and services to other countries in exchange of foreign currency like dollar, pounds, and euro. We teach you how to get buyers, how to get paid in foreign currency, how to fix your price, how to ship, how to do the entire documentation processes, every single thing you need to learn about starting an export business on a small scale, on a large scale. We share real life experiences, real life stories, the mistakes we made, the losses we made. We tell you stories that scares you, we tell you stories that motivate you, real life stories. And guess what? Experts who are exporting, I'm not talking theory, people who do container load, who do small scale regularly will be on ground. Our tutors are experienced experts in exports. They export. So you'll be learning from the very best. Okay? And this time around, it's not going to be virtual, it's going to be physical. You're going to be in the office, you're going to learn. It's going to be 3 days intensive training, practical. You're going to be learning how to process and package different Nigerian food products like flour products, tea products, spice products that you can start packaging, processing, and distributing locally and internationally. Is this what you want to do? Okay, do you see yourself sending out things to different countries? Do you see yourself earning off of foreign exchange? Because you can actually be sending out things, but the question is, do you get paid in dollar, in pounds, in euro, or you are just sending and being paid in naira? Here we are going to be teaching you how to receive your money in foreign currency, different secured payment options for small scale and large scale, where we teach you and show you the financial institutions you can work with to get funding opportunities depending on your payment terms, whether it's letter of credit or what have you. Okay, how to get and access funding for your large scale export depending on your payment terms, the payment term of your buyer. Okay, we're not going to report anything. We are going to share our experiences because I'm not going to sugarcoat. We've made losses. We've also made profits, which we are using to cover for the losses. Okay, so if this is what you want to learn, hands-on practical of exporting and food processing, packaging, then trust me, you need to be at Chimat Export Academy, because we are going to walk you through from a novice to someone who starts exporting. Guess what? Assignments, practical, breakout sessions, we co-attendees will be there, and of course there will be a support group for those of you who want to get started. We ask you questions. When you secure this, you can reach out for questions and guidance. There's a support platform. Is this what you really want? So you have to check the caption if this is what you want. If you want to start exporting, it could be food, it could be cosmetics, it could be raw commodity, solid minerals, gemstones, fashion, name them, artwork. Okay, whatever it is that you are interested in exporting, we will be sharing all you need to know and how you can get started. There are few slots available because we cannot take everybody, minimum 30 persons. So if you are ready to get started, ensure to register and take your slot. It's a physical training, it's not virtual. You see us, you see other participants, you see your tutors who are seasoned experts, not in theory but in practical. So check the caption, right, and see how to get started in the Chimat Export Academy, where we guide you from a novice to become a seasoned exporter. And guess what? Finally, we are going to be sharing legit contacts of over 500 buyers. These are verified contacts. Verified contacts, not the regular contacts you see everywhere. New, fresh, legit contacts. If this is what you're looking for, ensure not to miss the next batch of the Chimat Export Academy, because this will be mind-blowing, hands-on practical session that launches you to start exporting and earning in foreign currency.